Have you ever heard strange noises on your roof at night? It could be the Mumzels, tiny creatures that live under your roof tiles. They may look cute and harmless, but don't be fooled. These little beings have a mischievous side and love to sneak into our homes in search of food. The Mumzels are small creatures that live under the roof tiles of houses. They build their nests with the things they find outside, like twigs, leaves, and bits of fabric. They're mostly active at night when it's dark and quiet, and that's when they come out to explore. Sometimes the Mumzels get curious and venture into our homes. They're looking for food, and they'll go to great lengths to find it. They can squeeze through tiny cracks and crevices and climb walls to get to where the food is. But not all the Mumzels' food choices are healthy for them. They love sweet treats like cookies and candy, just like us. But these things aren't good for their health. Just like us, they need a balanced diet of fruits and vegetables to stay healthy. So, what can we do to keep the Mumzels healthy and out of our homes? First, we should make sure that any potential entry points, like cracks in walls or gaps in the roof, are sealed up. We should also make sure to keep sweet treats like cookies and candy stored away in airtight containers out of the Mumzels' reach. But we can also do something else to help the Mumzels. We can leave out healthy snacks like fruits and vegetables for them to enjoy. This way, the Mumzels can have a healthy diet and won't be as likely to venture into our homes in search of food. So if you hear strange noises on your roof at night, it could be the Mumzels. Remember to seal up any entry points and store sweet treats away safely. And if you want to be extra kind, leave out healthy snacks for the Mumzels to enjoy. It's a win-win for everyone. Attention hunters, get ready to embark on a new adventure in the world of NFTs. The Mumzels are now available in various NFT collections called Mumzel Hunt. Each month, a new dimension is released, giving you the chance to catch a Mumzel. This month's dimension is Mumzels in the Dark, where the elusive Dark Mumzel can be found. To catch one, you'll need 6 Matic on the Polygon blockchain. Once you have it, you can start your hunt. But that's not all. As a hunter, you'll also have the chance to catch multiple free Mumzels this month by completing various tasks or participating in free drops. The more Mumzels you catch, the better your chances of winning special Mumzels. So, what are you waiting for? Grab your hunting gear and get ready to track down some Mumzels. There's no better time to start than now. With each new dimension, the Mumzel hunt gets more exciting, so make sure to keep an eye out for future releases. Remember, the Mumzels may be small, but they're not to be underestimated. With each catch, you'll be adding a valuable piece to your collection. So go forth, hunters, and may the odds be in your favor. Catch as many Mumzels as you can before July, and who knows, you may even become the ultimate Mumzel hunter.